Hey everybody, it's been a beautiful calm day. We're at the lake. It's been like this all day. Melanie is providing for the family. She's doing the man's job today. I can't catch fish. I don't know why, but she's catching. Well, let's show you what she got. Look at that. That's a beauty. Ooh! Look at that. That's what Melanie got. We're not going to go hungry. Yeah. I can't catch anything out here right now for some reason. Oh, Michelle, show us your fishing pole. Look at that. Michelle's got a fish on. She's doing really good with that. And Melanie said there's 2 more of them out here like that. Look at how calm. So nice. Over here, a separate video. I don't know if you'll see it before or after. But over here, I'm panning for gold. And actually found some. That's a separate video. I'm going to fill this hole in and try a little higher because it's full of water and it's hard to get it out. But I'm actually finding gold. So, we're just out here with the family and enjoying a little bit of time away on the weekend. Well guys, Melanie just brought this in from the garden, zucchini, and we're getting this every couple days, right? We're harvesting zucchini and summer squash and 1 tomato. We did get a tomato, and our greens, a massive pile of greens, and this we get every few days or so, once a week, every 3 to 5 days or so, but we're getting this every couple days. It's a lot. We don't get any, too much of the normal stuff like tomatoes and peppers and stuff like that. But what we get in nice abundance. Hey everybody, we have been buying firewood. This is more. This is 2 cords more on top of what we bought the other day. And Chris has joined us. Hi Chris. And we got another cord, face cord. I found a good, cheap, affordable source, and since my body is still not allowing me to work full blast, I can't be running a chainsaw right now. My arm still hurts if I try to push on anything, so we're loading up. This is a couple months of burning right here, and we got more to come. Yeah, so my right arm, I can't throw with my right arm, so I'm launching with my left. Hope I don't wear out my left arm. Heat for the house.
Yep, grab that.
And this is part of the reason I sold my sawmill. So I'd have money to buy firewood to heat the house with. Chickens are not happy with us. Disturbing their peace.
Yeah, it makes you never happy.
Mm-hmm. Well, we're gonna unload this, get it done. We got another load to go get. Well, it's growing. It's a growing pile of firewood. We're gonna go get another load. I am happy. This is relief. See you in a little bit. Another load. How you feeling, Chris?
Yeah.
It's humid.
Body's just blew up.
It's hot. It's hot and humid. Michelle? Hi. You want to say hi? That's it? No words? Hello? Okay, not today. Well, we're going to add to this. We'll see you in a few minutes. I think it's a blue jay. Sounds like it. Not about something. Oh, that one's heavy. The ones near the bottom are heavier.
Yeah. Unfortunately, those are the ones that soak up all the moisture from the ground, you know?
Yeah. Watch two broken men work in fast motion.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Oh, well, there's the load. 5.5 cord. It's wide too. I don't know if I can show you. It's that's 5.5 cord. It's 2 months of heating. Roughly 2 months of heating. All right, well, Chris and I got something else to pick up. So, Michelle made a butterfly house. A butterfly house, a pretty little butterfly house. See, it gives them shelter from the weather, and the flowers draw them in. She saw this on a cartoon, so she's making a butterfly house. Pretty. Hey guys, do me a favor. Like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Any interaction like that will help boost my channel, boost my stats, and help me to keep making videos like you see today. Thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so and follow our daily videos. You never know what we're going to do tomorrow. I'd like to announce the winner of the giveaway contest for the PWPM 2-piece solar wall lamp set. This very box right here that I've never opened. The winner is BB Grenade. I will write the name down below in the comment and down in the description. Please send me your name and address, your real name and real address to my email, troy.thedoityourselfworld@gmail.com. I'll put that down in the description and the comments below as well. This is yours. So congratulations, and for everybody else, watch for the full review. We'll have links for you to get one of your own as well. Hey everybody, a package arrived. Part of my sawmill, I think. Amazon is what I'm expecting. That's what I'm expecting to arrive today. So I'm hoping that's what it is. I ordered a fuel pump. Might be able to get this running. We got thunderstorms coming today, so I don't think we're going to be doing that today. I sure hope, oh wow, all kinds of accessories. I sure hope this is going to be a direct fit for that fuel pump. Oh, oily. There's a plastic mechanical fuel pump to replace the old metal one, and a whole mess of parts and accessories. I'm not even going to get into that right now. It's getting oil all over my table. Well, there we go, guys. We have a new fuel pump for the sawmill. So the next chance I get, I can go out and see if I can get that running. There's all kinds of parts in there. I'm going to have to look that up. No instructions. Of course. Never any instructions. So you're supposed to figure out where all this goes on here. Fun, fun, fun. Of course, I grabbed the camera and now there's nothing. There's massive thunder. Of course, now it's funny. We got a storm coming up, so I know there's thunder. I took Chris home. He was helping me out here in the homestead. It's gonna rain all the rest of the afternoon. I'm recording. It's gonna, nope, there it is. I don't know if you can hear that. It's gonna rain the rest of the afternoon and all night and up into tomorrow. So that's it for today. That'll be it. I will talk to you guys. Whoa, that's close. I am gonna shut it down for the day. Talk to you later. Whoa, that's a big one.